Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers and judges and my dear friends. I'm really happy to be here today. It's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. So, I wasn't ready for the speech competition. Suddenly, my guide teacher said me that there is a speech competition, you can join. So, that's why I'm here. So, I will try my best. First of all, I would like to introduce myself shortly. My name is Tanvir Ahmed, and I have completed my intermediate at St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. It is located in Asad Gate. In my opinion, it is the best college of discipline in whole Bangladesh. Why am I telling this to you? You will understand later. So today I would like to talk about something that controls our success, our happiness, and even our future, and that is time management. Time is the most valuable resource we have, but what makes the difference is how we use those hours. Successful people are not born with extra time. They just simply use their time in a better way. So let me share a real experience from my life. It was the day of my exam. So the story was like that. I reached my college, but I was 2 minutes late for the morning assembly. Normally, morning assembly happens before classes start, and that day it was mandatory. So whenever I tried to enter, the security guard stopped me, and I was like, "Sir, just 2 minutes," but he refused. And around me, the other students were also standing helplessly. Some of them were requesting, and some of them were shouting in frustration. The atmosphere was tense. So, after a while, the discipline prefect came, and whose name is Uttam sir. He is one of my favorite teacher, and seeing him, I thought that he will allow us inside. But he looked at us seriously and said that rules are rules. So I don't have any right to break them. So you can go home now. So hearing this, I felt broken because just paying, can you imagine, just paying 2 minutes late, I missed my assembly, I missed my class, I missed my exam, and the very important day of my life. So that day taught me a lesson I'll never forget. Time does not forgive anyone. Even a 2 minute mistake can cost you big. So getting to the point, good time management means setting a clear goal, making a good plan, avoiding distraction, and most importantly, respecting deadlines. So, in conclusion, I'd like to say that time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, uh, uh, twice, because the flow that is fast will not return. Thank you very much.